Welcome to Sound Vista Village, a family-owned and operated village concepts community in the charming Marytown city of Gig Harbor. Dine restaurant style in our spacious dining room with friends and neighbors. We offer a delicious menu prepared by our talented dining team. We welcome guests who are considering Sound Vista Village to join us for a meal. Additional spaces like our fireside lounge and social room are warm and inviting places to relax and socialize with neighbors. Our light and airy, independent, and assisted living apartments include a wide array of floor plans with amenities to meet your needs, including kitchenettes. Each room is equipped with roll-in showers and call systems to easily reach our staff for assistance. Residents' individual interests shape our 7-day-a-week activity program, which features special guest speakers, entertainers, movie nights, game tournaments, as well as outings to local attractions. Our complimentary medical and errand shuttle runs weekly. Sound Vista has an on-site salon and barbershop for a variety of hair care services right outside your front door. Our unique and serene private courtyard features a rock garden and plenty of raised flower beds for our resident gardeners to practice their skill. Hummingbirds are frequent visitors to our oasis. Sound Vista Village is nestled in a quiet neighborhood close to surrounding walking trails with beautiful manicured grounds and a peaceful courtyard. The Cushman walking trail that snakes through scenic Gig Harbor and the surrounding areas are just steps away from Sound Vista Village. Residents often venture out for a walk on this local attraction or make the loop around our building using our well-maintained walking path. We are excited to welcome you to your new home at Sound Vista Village.